Furtado family vlog. Hello guys, it's me again, Janice, for another new vlog. So today I'm gonna make adobong pusit. So I have here a squid which has this much the size, and I cut into half. So I have here one onion I cut into big chunk, and then garlic, 10 cloves of garlic, and ½ inch of ginger, 3 green chili, and 1 tomato. And I have here oyster sauce and soy sauce, and also I will add vinegar. So let's get started. So the pan is already heated up, so we have to put our olive oil or any cooking oil what you have. So now we'll put our garlic, we just have to saute just a few seconds until the garlic's fragrance will come out. Then next to this is we have to put the onion. And then we have to saute until the onion gets translucent or change color into like slightly brown. So we just saute for around 1 to 2 minutes.
Few moments later.
Then we have to put our green chili, a ginger, and a tomato. So we have to sprinkle salt so it cooks faster, and the tomato gets soft faster as well. Now our tomato is already soft, so now we can add our squid. And then let's just saute for 1 to 2 minutes before I'll put my other ingredients, because squid leaves water somehow. So first let it simmer for 2. See, as you can see, I haven't add water in this, but see, it has a water. Squid has the water. So now I'll put my oyster sauce. You just have to estimate, guys. I'm putting 3/4 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, So let's just simmer this again for around 5 minutes. Then let's check. We don't want our squid to be overcooked, otherwise it's becoming like rubbery. So
A few moments later.
let's wait again for another 5 minutes. So now I will add a 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Okay, and stir it. Actually, for this, if you want, you can also add, before you put the garlic, you can also first put your cinnamon stick, bay leaves, and black pepper. But for me, no, I didn't use those in this squid adobo. So it's just individual preferences what they will put on how they'll make their adobo. So now we have to taste if the salt is okay. That was very nice. We don't need to put anything. And after this, you have to sprinkle just a little of sugar. Sugar actually, it helps neutralize the acidity from the tomato. So I always add just a little sprinkle of sugar. Now this is cooked, guys. This is perfectly cooked. We don't want to overcook our squid, otherwise it's gonna become rubberized kind like that. So there is a technique of cooking the squid. Okay, so here we are. My squid adobo or adobong pusit is ready. If you like this simple recipe,
Please like,